Hey guys, welcome back to another truck driver game video thing. I hope you guys enjoy. It looks like they're all packed. Good. Alright guys, we're back. Oh, go ahead and hit that pole. Sorry about that, guys. Had to fix my little. I'll pass that along. The thing I like about multiplayer is there's no cars, so I can't crash because it's harder to drive with the controller, but it is fun. So, and also it's fun, you know, for you guys to watch. There being no cargo. I mean, whatever it's called. Single player. Get more mind and stuff. Oh, come on, really? Really again? I haven't seen anybody yet, but I know I'm on multiplayer. I don't know why I haven't seen anybody. This is just going around. Oh boy, that was close. Come on, nerd. Yeah, that was messed up. The way they just did me like that. I wasn't even scraping anything. I was right in the middle. Like this. Just right in the middle. Just cruising. I hear how this brakes squeak though. They squeak. They're pretty loud. See, when you take your hand off the thing, the controller thing that's used to steer, it'll start turning to the right. Which I don't like about that. Oh boy. Oh, losing control. That was pretty bad. I'm gonna keep swerving with this truck. Oh man, I'm really tired. Really tired. Oh look, there's someone up there. Players up there. I don't know what players don't, I bet. I just know you're doing something. Watch this. See? How you turn the engine back on. See? Engine's already on. Now, what we gotta do is the hard part. Backing up out of here. Oh boy. Make sure I'm clear on this side. Yeah, it looks like it. Now I'm gonna have to do a wide turn out here. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain. Watch my trailer, watch the front of the truck. No. They're not making that. also have to do. Oh, I turn out of here. Didn't mean to go on the opposite side of the road, but no, I didn't want to use the trailer. But there's Rome. This is not gonna hold back. Some of these people on these things, they're pretty rude. I can tell you that right now. They are pretty rude. It is pretty messed up when you're having fun and that person just